guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Chris, the Dancing DIY Pro. Today I am going to be making a raised picture frame. Bam bam bam. All right, so I have this a 1x3 pine pre-primed. What the heck did I just say? Pre-primed wooden, yes, pre-primed pine wood. So first step is cutting my pieces. I've already measured out. I need 4 pieces. I need 2 9-inch pieces and 2 11-inch pieces. So I'm gonna get those cut out. Down the side so I can get my 4. These are my 4 pieces. That's left over. It's gonna be spare, whatever. Now I'm about to cut out. Move it closer to the side. I already told them I'm using an old miter saw. So alright, doesn't have clamps on it, so I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. Okay. Alright. Well, this thing is okay. Next, I need to take this primer off because I'm gonna be staining these. So I'm gonna take this the prime off with a 220 grit so that I can go ahead. Actually, no, not a 220 grit, a 60 grit. This is a 60 grit. Yes, 60 grit. Now I have all the pine pieces sanded down. I'm going to now affix them together so that I can form the box for the frame. Making sure that they all align perfectly. Bing, bada bang, bada bang. Alright, so they make a box. Boom. Now I'm going to be using my Tight Bond wood glue and some brad nails to connect them together. Alright guys, so I'm trying to work here. Alright guys, so I've gotten the box made. Here it is, finished. Now I have to stain it. I'm going to be using these little small 3-hole hinges to apply to connect the picture frame to this box. And this is my stain of choice. We went with the espresso color. Alright, so I am genuinely surprised at the color of this stain because I did one already and the color did not come out like this. I also saw another YouTube channel where they used the same stain and they had the same color as I had on my first one. But guess what? I shook it up and it's the right color. I shook the stain up and it's now the color that's on the picture. My first one came out a little lighter. That makes me want to restain it. I actually like this color. It looks a little bit more rustic. Alright, my camera's about to fall over. Hold on. Alright, there we go, I'm back. Now you can see my bun. I don't like where you can't see my dreads. I look bald head. My head already big. Alright. Okay, so like I did with the other piece, I sanded off the flat sides and I stained them. And the stain came out the exact same color as this. But as you see, the box that I just did is a lot darker because God told me to shake up the stain. He said shake it up before you use it. And I shook it up and now it's the perfect color. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this one and do the same thing. So I'll be back. Alright, I only got 2 bars. So guess what? I gotta move fast. I got the picture frame done. Bing. So you see I sanded the smooth surfaces, left the ridges this original color because I'm going to be staining it that darker color on the smooth set edges. So we're going to provide a little bit of contrast. So let me go ahead and get that done. So we got the box done. I'm just wiping it down with a damp towel so that I can attach the picture frame to it. Put the top on this. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good color. We're looking for something dark and we got it. Attach the picture frame to the box with my nail gun. Let me grab that. I'm gonna make sure I put my battery in there. I'm gonna align it with the box. It's gonna be a little bit smaller than the box, which is perfectly fine. As long as my corners all match up evenly around. All right. Now I'm just gonna take my 2-inch brad nails and shoot them through. And that did not go in the frame. That went out the side. So, with that being said, I need to scoot over. there's the picture frame. Bam. I'm gonna cut that off. Bang! There we go. And we got a raised picture frame so that we can hide the doorbell.